Can you imagine a facial recognition system that automatically records your employees' check-ins and check-outs with incredible speed? A system that's compatible with any device and whose code you can get completely free? Today, I'll show you how this program works, designed specifically for businesses. In just a few steps, you'll be able to download it and implement it yourself. Stay with me until the end to learn all the details, grab this program for free, and find out how I can help you implement it in your own business. When you launch the program, the first thing you'll see is a screen where you can select the company you'll be working with. This feature allows you to easily customize the system for different businesses. The best part of this software is how easily it adapts to any device, whether it's a computer, tablet, or even a smartphone. The program has two main modules, which I will explain to you. The first module is the user registration. Here, you'll need to provide some basic information such as the full name, ID number, job title, and a photo for facial recognition. Once the information is entered, the system saves it to the database and displays as it says, message confirming that registration was completed successfully. This process is quick, user-friendly, and ensures all data is organized in one place, no matter which device you're using. The second module, and the most exciting one, is facial recognition. When the system identifies a person, it automatically loads the check-in or check-out time based on when that recognition occurs. What's the best part? This process takes just a couple seconds, no more waiting. Additionally, the program prevents duplicate entries, allowing only one check-in and one check-out per day, ensuring efficient tracking. Thanks to its adaptable design, you can use this module on any device, giving you access to a fast and reliable system at all times. Best of all, the program's code is completely free. You can download it using the link provided in the video description. I have also included a second link to a video where I explain step by step how to install and set up the system so you can start using it right away. If you have any questions, need clarification, or are interested in customizing this program to fit your company's specific needs, I'm here to help you. You'll find all my contact information in the video description so we can work together. I hope this program becomes a valuable tool for your business or projects. Remember, the system is fully adaptable so you can use it on any device. If you'd like to support this channel and help me continue sharing content like this, you can make a donation through the link in the video description. No matter how small you think it might be, every contribution helps me and motivates me to keep creating more tools and videos like this one. Thank you for all the support and see you on the next video.